Let's go.
Oh, shaking. Oh, Lord.
Oh, God.
Doesn't sound too much of a good idea.
Of course it is. Oh, God.
What makes you think we can actually do this? This is probably more stable than me right now. It's gotta be impossible to keep this thing straight.
That's why they invented gimbals.
Gimbals.
This is real Offroad.
This is wild.
Oh, Lord! Good job, mice. Okay, this is kind of relaxed.
You know what Tony should do? We should get him a GoPro so he can put it on the hood of his car. And then he takes videos while we're off-roading.
What about like right here?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Why are you always listening to AC/DC?
CDC. Oh, shit.
What are we gonna do about that? So we got a big stick in the way. We're gonna leave and there's just gonna be one like white spot on Tony's Jeep.
You can't do that. Unless we take that thing out. It's literally a tree.
Yes, we know.
It's like a crying tree.
That's a new one.
Não com aquele pau.
You can pause it.
Yeah, you come.
Now it's down. What the heck? Cow. Tire.
Ay, God. Ooh, this doesn't look good.
Video the thing at least.
I am. It's not easy to stabilize this thing.
One more scratch.
A girl just got slapped in the face by trees. Luckily, it was only the leaves, not the actual hands.
Sideways.
Ok. Vamos parar de filmar, que a ideia é só.